MMM ideology, how it works, rules and benefits. Presented by Oluwatosin Ajibade, batch 27, 2017, 08, 18, 12, group 43. What is MMM? MMM is a global self-managed community by participants aiming providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. Before I go further, I would like to tell you the full meaning of MMM acronym, which is Mavrodi Mondial Movement. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money, that is PH, with the one who wants to get money, that is GH, get up. Participants transfer money directly to each other, peer-to-peer system. No central account. It will not collect your money. That is, MMM does not have any central account like the other network, online networks that have emerged in this country, Nigeria. I could remember in the years back when there is a particular network calling Seed First, that people contribute their money into it, into a central account, and at the end of the day, everything was gone. It was resorted to a scam. But MMM is not like that. It does not have any central account at all. And that means even if you are providing help in the community, the help you are providing is going directly to another person's account that you are giving help to. And I want to give you a brief fact about it. MMM Global Community started in 2011 as a new project of Sergey Mavrodi. Who is this Sergey Mavrodi? Is the founder and the visionary of MMM Global Community. And the man came in Eastern Europe, that is Russia to be precise, to create a new fair financial order as a world mutual aid fund community, primarily to help people become financially independent, speeded up at the first day of its beginning. Now, this voluntary network is a community of millions of people from many countries worldwide. I want to tell you, it is 4 years of activity. It is 7 years of activity since January 2011. And I want to assure you, several billions of dollar assistance has ever been provided. It is the #1 donation exchange program. MMM gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who are in need, those who are ready to provide them with their spare money. What is this telling you? Even if you are to provide help at all, you have to provide it with your spare money. You don't just go, and started begging for money or asking for loan in the course of this program. You are to, you have to provide help whenever you are set to, whenever you are ready, whenever you have a spare money. And how does this work? When you declare the willingness to give help by clicking the provide help in your personal office, that is PO, your account will be credited with Mavro. This is the diagram. This is it. Once you type in once you register with MMM, you created your account, then you log into your PO. This is your PO. This is the interface of your PO, your dashboard, participant, and all that. And then this is where you provide help. You click on provide help column. Once you click on it, you follow the process, the procedure thereafter. Mavro is the internal currency of the system. Mavro's amount will start growing from the moment of deposit at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of interest occurs twice a week, on Tuesdays and Thursdays. This sum in Mavro shows how much you can request yourself. That is, on assumption you have announced willingness to assist 1,000 Nigerian naira. You will be credited in your personal office with 1,000 Mavro, and they will immediately start growing. A month later, this 1,000 Mavro will become 1,300 Mavro. Accordingly, you will be able to request assistance for 1,300 Nigerian naira. This is the calculation. 1,000 Nigerian naira equals to 1,000 Mavro. And after 30 days, 1,300 Mavro will equals to 1,300 naira, Nigerian naira. That is the summary of it. I hope you get it. What are the benefits? There are many benefits you can derive from this program. We are offering a mutual aid program with 30% growth per month for your donations. Growth of Mavro per month. You see, you provide help and receive 30% more. This is the standard possible growth rate is 30% per month, frozen for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you are allowed to request the entire sum of it part at any moment. It yields 30% per month. And presently, what is ongoing with the system? If you provide now, you have the 100%. For now, it's not 30% again. You have what I mean is that the growth of your Mavro per month is 100%. Take for instance, you provided 1,000 naira, and at the end of 30 days, which your Mavro initially should be 1,300, it will now be 2,000. It will be 2,000 naira increment. I hope we get this. That is the promo that is going on in the system presently. And the registration bonus as well. After having registered and making the first donation, the participant receives a bonus in the amount of $20. That is, if the donation is between $50 and $500, and you receive $50 if the donation is between $500 and $3,000. And that's why you receive $100 donation. Excuse me, more than $3,000. We have referral program. That's another bonus as well. You can get 10% from all donations of the participant you invited. Inviting new members from the community is your additional contribution to its development. And see this diagram. Once you refer, the 10% of these people comes to you. That's another bonus. And as well, you can become a manager by finishing 10 days online schooling and earn manager's bonus. Managers of the MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in the structure. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, the manager can have his own leader whose ranks is higher than him. Manager's bonus varies depending on the level in the structure. Then, if you become a manager by finishing 10 days online schooling and then manager's bonus, this is the structure. This is the manager's bonus structure. 5% from first level participants donations. Receive 3% the second level, 1% the third level, 0.5% the fourth level, 0.25% the fifth level, 0.1% the sixth level, and 0.05% the seventh level, 0.03% the eighth level, and 0.01% the next level, and it just go on like that. By the time you realize you have been making your money, but the story of your life will just change so suddenly. And I can't just go without letting you know letting you be aware of the risk in the program. MMM is a community for peer-to-peer money exchange. Thus, MMM only redistributes money between its participants, connecting a donator to a recipient. Therefore, in order that the mutual aid process may be beneficial and not be stopped, the number of participants donating money should generally increase. The community constantly works to improve the reliability of the mechanism of mutual assistance. However, it may happen that those who have donated money will not receive help back. Donate only spare money. However, for many years of operation, we have proven the system's reliability, and MMM have implemented various mechanisms to make donation exchange process more stable and beneficial. Before I go, I would like to inform you that MMM is being funded, is being working in many of the African countries. Examples of it is South Africa, and we still have many in this Africa continent. And as well, we have it in Asia and Europe. MMM is in China. MMM is in Brazil. And we have it more like that. But I would like you, MMM is in Nigeria as well. And now we are building the team in Nigeria to be great and great. And I want to assure you, over 2 million participants has been registered in Nigeria only. I will implore you to join us to run this race together, and the story of your life will be written, will be changed positively. And how will you do this? You just click on your Google, or you go to your browser, whether on your phone. You can register on your phone or on your PC, your personal computer, and you just type in www.nigeria-mmm.net/question mark I=IOStainlessData@gmail.com. Then you fill the form and you submit. Before you know, you have become a participant, and you just go into your PO, you change, you write in your